Yeah, thanks, Charles. Thanks for invitation for such kind of interesting discussion. It's a great honor for me to be here because our country only 2 years ago celebrate 30 years independence. And that time I was 8 years old. And now I sit here with you, with experienced and respected speakers who know everything about world economy. And in this case, of course, I want to tell about our story, about our country and our company. Our company, Astana Motors, are active on car manufacturing, distributors and dealers, retail, on Kazakhstan market and Uzbekistan market also. And Charles, you touch very interesting topic today, and we felt this challenge last 4 years very deeply because we have partners from Europe, from Korea, from Japan, from China. It's more than 16 car brands who are working with us, and we are distributor of 14 of them, and we are responsible for supply this car, for supply spare parts, for semiconductors, and we feel all these challenges. First of course, it's COVID-19, and after then came another one big problem for car industry. It's a deficit of semiconductors. After then, of course, problem of supply chain and this war. It's not easy to manage, but for us, it's like daily work. We come to work and something happened and we try to find a way to reach this problem. And for our company and for our country, it's of course challenges, but we also see opportunities. We are entrepreneur, we are from active business, and all time we want to find some way to develop our company and our country. And in this case, we have, I think, a good chance to develop our country. Why? First, we are between China and Europe, and we are on new Silk Way. It's a big possibility for us to create logistic business and supply items from China to Europe. And the second, unfortunately, but a lot of European, Japanese brands leave Russia Federation, and we work with these brands, and we feel how they change strategy. These companies start to think about Central Asia and more concentrate in Central Asia. Kazakhstan is the heart of Central Asia, and we feel support every time that these our partners want to give for us chance to create new production, to create new factories, to develop localization, everything. And also, you touch, our speakers touch about deglobalization. And for example, for Switzerland, maybe it's some risk, but for Kazakhstan is a chance. Because our government wants to create new industry from commodities to real industry. And at this game, some of protectionism and some of deglobalization help for our company to create new real industry, for example, car industry. So why Astana Motors company already invested for 2 factories. One of them is Hyundai factory in Almaty, where we produce Hyundai passenger vehicles. Second one is a commercial vehicle factory, where we produce buses, commercial vehicles, and etc. But it's not enough for create real car industry, because capacity of this plant, it's not enough for produce spare parts, after components, and we have a new big target. 2 months ago, we announced that we will construct new big factory, and it will be Chinese factory. We negotiate with largest Chinese companies to join under one roof 3 brands. It's Chery, Havail, and Chanyan. Frankly speaking, they never saw each other and never don't handshake, but they are sign with us agreement, and they give for us chance to construct new factory. And this factory will be 90,000 units capacity per year. And this number give for us chance to create localization. And we believe to our country, our government all time want to support companies, international or local, who want to create production and develop industry, and thanks for our government. And we must be brave, we must be patriot to invest to our countries, and we want to show to another our competitors and partners, do it. Thank you.
Thank you, Beknur.